Hey guys, in today's video with VinylCut, we'll be looking at the eraser tool. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now the eraser tool can be quite a handy tool for various reasons. Like you can easily open paths with it or re-add to the shape with it. So you can actually do more than erase, you can add as well. But then let's quickly just have a look at it. So to locate it, we want to navigate to our tool panel here on the left. And this is a little eraser icon. You can click that, and then by our options under the tool, we have the following. We have eraser shape, which can be circle or square. We have the size, keep closed path, and invert or inverse. So let's first look at the actual different shapes. I'm just gonna, for this, make this about the scale about 0.5, just so we can see it a bit better. 0.5. So now if we just normal click, you'll see it's a circle tool. If you keep, you can actually just add or erase the area of it. Now what you can also do is you can click this inverse button. Now what it will do is it will actually add shape. So we can now go over that, and then if we leave it, it will add that shape back. But you can also go out of the shape if you wanted to. Let's just undo that. So it's handy that it has that, so you can kind of rechange your shape based on the inverse. Let's leave that off. Let's just go back to the shape. Next, we'll try the square. As you imagined, it's just a square. But then also when you use it as continuous, you'll see it affects the line more and the borders. So keep that in mind. And then like I said, we've got the scale, so you can set this to whatever you want. Let's just make a little background looking guy. And then we also have another option, which will be the keep path closed. So what this will do is if you deselect this, then if you draw into any shape, it will automatically close or open the path. So like I said, this can be a handy tool to quickly go there and just open paths if you want to, and then close it again with the path. We've got the what was it? Close path over here. So if you had to undo that, redo that. But otherwise, yeah, that is the basics. So same way with the text. If we've got closed path, you can easily open text. But if we have this on, then it will not do that. So you can make custom shapes to your fonts and so forth. I mean your shapes. But keep in mind, as soon as you edit text with the eraser tool, like most things, it will lose its text properties. So you can no longer edit this text with the text tool. Otherwise, yes, that's the basics on the eraser. If we just head to our website here, if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. Like I mentioned before, we've got a variety of different softwares we cover. You can also isolate your search here if you're looking for anything specific, or request a training video if you don't find what you're looking for. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.